How to set up Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. Firstly, visit the official website of Phantom Wallet and download the extension for your browser, Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. If you want to use the mobile app, download the Phantom app from the App Store iOS or Google Play Android. Now, open Phantom and click Create a new wallet. Then choose a strong password and write down your seed phrase carefully. Never share your seed phrase with anyone and confirm your seed phrase for backup. But if you already have a Phantom wallet and wish to access it on a new device or browser, you can easily import it by selecting Import Existing Wallet and enter your secret recovery phrase and set a new password. Now, set up two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. Consider exporting your private key for advanced users. Then there are several ways to add Sol to your wallet. Buy Sol directly with Phantom. Click Buy Sol and choose your preferred payment method. And click Deposit Sol and enter the sending wallet address, and you can buy Sol on KuCoin and transfer to your Phantom wallet to fund it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.